If you want to add an extra layer of security to your Dropbox account, what you can do is enable two-step verification over here as well. To enable two-step verification, you go on to this user icon right over here and then go to settings right over here. Once you go to the settings, then you should go to security right over here, and here is where you'll enable the two-step verification. So over here, you can see that there's two-step verification right over here. You can also change your password and start a backup right over here. So I'm just going to go over here onto two-step verification and turn this on right over here, and then click on get started. So it'll ask you for your password right over here. So just enter the Dropbox password and press next right over here. So now over here, you can see that you have an option to use text messages or use a mobile app right over here. So that means you can download a mobile application, and each time you log into Dropbox, you'll have to use that mobile application. Or you can use text messages, that is security code will be sent to the mobile phone each time you try to log in. So once you press next, you can see right over here that you can type in your mobile address. And then what you can do is you can just press next right over here, and a 6-digit code will be sent on to your mobile phone. I've already received mine, so I'm just going to type in the code that I received. That's 5734 and 63. Okay, so that's the verification code. Click next, and then it'll verify your mobile phone right over here, just like that. So over here, what I can also do is add in a backup phone, but I'm just going to skip that by pressing next. And now you can see right here that it says that I can use these backup codes right here to actually access my account right over here. So I can copy and paste this somewhere safe right over here. So I'm just going to copy this out, paste it somewhere else, and save it on my computer or somewhere else, print it out and keep it in a secure place where no one can see them. So you can press next right over here. So now, from now on, when you sign into Dropbox website or link to a new device, you'll need to enter the security code from your phone. It says like that. So now, once I log in, what happens is that I have to use one of those codes which I copied, or I'll have to log in. So let me just log out right over here, that is sign out, and then let me just sign in right over here. So let me add in my password right over here, just like this, and sign in, and let's see what happens now. Let's wait. It says enter the 6-digit code right over here. You can also trust this computer if you always use that computer right over there, if it's your personal computer. But if you're accessing it from a public computer, then do not turn this on. So a 6-digit code, it has been sent to my SMS right over here. So I'm just going to type that in and press enter right over there, just like that. And there you go. What happened is that the Dropbox account opened just like this. So this is how you can add in a layer of security onto your Dropbox account. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.